In this world, the causes for life are pitifully scarce, while the causes for death are as numerous as the hairs on an ox. As it is stated in Nagarjuna's precious Garland, the causes of death are many, those of staying alive are few. These too can become causes of death. Therefore, always perform the practice. There are countless causes of death, such as fire, water, poisons, dangerous places, savages, and fierce beasts, while the causes for life are extremely scarce. Every day you can find news about disasters occurring all over the world, making human life constantly face threats. In addition to natural disasters, the imbalance of the four elements within us is also a significant factor that cannot be overlooked. Buddhist scriptures mention 404 types of human diseases, 80,000 negative forces, and more, indicating, while causes of death are numerous, causes of life are few. Moreover, what we consider as causes of life, such as clothing and food, can also become causes of death.